What's the deal, YouTube? So we back with another video today. So y'all seen the title of the video. So let's get right into it. Boom. Walk over here. So we got some extra camera equipment for the channel. It was a gift. So we got the Holy Stone, however you say it, HS series drone. You'll see that the model Hs110D. And this is unboxing it. It's pretty light. This is not even 5 pounds, so that'll let you know how sturdy the drone is. But we'll check it out. Has a 1080p camera, Wi-Fi connected to your phone, got altitude, all that good stuff. Let's open it up. First open it up, we got the menu right here. Take this plastic off. So come with the controller, and the wings already comes connected to the drone when you get it. Controller, that's cool that it has a little things tell you what it is, because I guess when you take it off it don't tell you, so I guess you don't want to lose this unless you just remember all the functions of the remote control. I see you got buttons at the top. Oh, that's, take a picture, 25 seconds I would guess. Oh, and then they got the drone flips. The drone does tricks, guys. They give you some propeller guards. I do not know what this is, so I guess I'll find that out later. They give you 2 batteries, because one already came in there. So that's dope that they give you 2 batteries. Let's see what else is in here. They also give you extra propellers. So it's also dope. Anything else under here? Nope, looks pretty empty. But there goes the unboxing. It was a gift, so we definitely gonna check it out. In this video, I will be putting up some footage of me flying. I probably won't be doing it today, so when y'all see this video, the footage that you would get of flying would be from another day. But y'all see it has a little camera right here. I'm guessing this is the antenna right there on the side if it focus. In the back, but like I said, then I guess you put the SD camera in. Focus up, SD camera in there. I mean SD card, and also links to your phone too. I read that it has an app, so to also give you a view of that. So, but yeah, this is like shit. It's not even a pound. It's very light. But give y'all. But that's it for the unboxing. I might throw some cool B-roll in here for y'all of the drone, maybe some pictures or something. But go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to the page. Turn on that bell notification. Thank you for watching. Check y'all out next time. This card, we're back with another one. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Click that post notification that's on there. Turn that bell on there. Ring ding 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 ding, ring that bell. All that stuff. So so you know when I post videos, subscribe to the page. I'm gonna continue this video with the drone and let y'all see what we got going. But check it out. So as y'all see, I got the drone on, got the controller on. That's what it look like when it's on. So I had to download this app with my other phone. As y'all can see, got good old iPhone 6 or 7, whichever one. So you want to download the Hs app. Boom. You'll see I'm hungry, nigga. Got BJ's on there. Boom. Enter the device. See everything connects. Then you can see the camera. I lost my little thing to hold the phone, but this phone is too big anyway, so really won't do much justice. But y'all see that? So they got the app to connect to the phone, similar to the Mavic and the GoPro's stuff. You can record, you can take pictures. see the menu up there. You got the VR mode swap. You see it gives you the display of the battery life of the drone. I don't know what this is. Let's see what that is. Okay, whatever that is. We'll find that outside. We'll do that, and then okay, and then I guess you can get sound from the phone. So if you're recording something and want to get the sound to the phone, you can do that. That's dope. And then you see that fly, land, forward, backwards, right. All that good stuff. I want to try to fly it, but I'm not really a good experienced drone flyer like that. So I'm gonna do this in the office and let y'all see how it goes, if I can get it off the ground and whatnot. Bear with me. Oh, I can see myself. See that moving? Y'all probably can't see me. So let's record. And you press record. Right there, the record button starts blinking, and also on the drone lights start blinking. So that's pretty dope, so you know it's recording. Let's set that back down. Turn this controller on. I have a bad feeling about this, guys. I don't know if I want to do it. Yeah, this. Yeah. So. I'm recording myself doing nothing. It says ascend. It's not ascending. If I press the engine start button, it's still not doing nothing. So, luckily it's still good. It's still up there in the corner. Nothing happened to the propellers. I'm kind of scared to go outside with it because I think I'm gonna lose it off with the wind. But y'all heard that. I'm gonna come back with another video for y'all with me flying it outside. But there's just a little video of the Holy Stone Hs110D. I will definitely have some more footage of y'all for y'all coming soon. Check y'all out later. So we outside, y'all, about to try to take off with this drone. Let's see if it start up. And it didn't. Again. Let's try this again. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Resync that thing. Check out the phone. The phone that says connected and still recording. So we're gonna try this again. Go ahead and reset this. Turn that back on. Turn that off. Turn that back on. Not understanding why I can't get it to fly when I want it to. I'll be back with y'all in a second. Damn.
You see, it just goes where it wants. I just wanted to go up straight. So that's how I fly a drone, because I can't fly. So, yeah. And I didn't want to mess up nobody's car.
Damn.
Let's check out the drone. It's still in good shape, guys. So out of durability, for me, I give it a 7. It ain't broke yet. I didn't buy it, so I don't know how much it costs. But it's a good little drone for beginners, you know. So yeah, that's that review right there. I know I stuttered a little bit, but it's okay. But yeah, that's the Holy Soul drone, and that's me flying it, and that's the best you can get out of me. All right, check y'all out next time. But yeah, it just go away. I don't want to say that.
falling from the sky, it was a starry night when I freed my mind. How can you deny it? I tell no lies. Let me free your mind. Crystals falling from the sky, it was a starry night when I freed my mind. How can you deny it? I tell no lies. Let me free your mind.
Manifest, manifest, levitate, levitate. Knowledge monsters, we the best. Low vibes can penetrate. Lot of broccoli keep my aura strong. Plant based, that's a flex. Smoke the broccoli, man, it's hella strong. Then I pass it to the left.
Falling from the sky, it was a starry night when I freed my mind.
And Boosted SRT flying the drone. Shout out to Boosted SRT for flying the drone for me, because I would have sucked it up. So yeah, check y'all out next time.